So today's video is not an ad or sponsored in any way, but it is an experiment in a new product. So I've been carrying around this sketchbook cover and this pen case for a while. I had the amazing opportunity to go to Venice, Italy with Scott and Donna Sava in October, and it was incredible. But I was like a turtle carrying my entire art studio on my back because I'm always afraid that I'm going to wish that I had another art supply with me. And I'm trying to make an effort to be more realistic about what I am actually using and am going to use in a time frame while I'm on a trip. So these have been great, but I'm looking to scale things down a little bit and to pack and carry what I can more reasonably use. I don't always need to carry a backup to a backup to a backup like I did in Venice. Ask Donna. It was comical. With it being summer, my daughter is involved in a lot of band and sports camps, and so we're traveling a lot this summer, and I'm taking art supplies with me so I can work on things. But I'm trying to make an effort to rein things in because I need some reins. So I really want to get something that I don't have to have another bag to carry the bags. So this week I've been carrying around a new bagged sketchbook cover thing from a company called Scribbles that matter. Let's test it out. So the first thing I need to do is empty my prior bags. As I'm going through all the items, I need to be realistic with myself of what needs to make the transition to the new bag. I almost never use a handful of the drawing tools that I've been carrying around, or at least not often enough to justify lugging them everywhere. My pencil case is the biggest example of this. Yes, I use these blending stubs frequently, but I do not need to be carrying this many. Several of these sizes are duplicated and can stay behind. Now, zebra brush pens are great pens, but I don't use them all that often. I'm not really a watercolor artist, and I don't do a lot of line art, so carrying all 4 sizes isn't necessary. I'll keep the extra fine one for now and let the other 3 sizes stay behind in my studio. If I have room, I'll keep this fine point eraser and this white pen. These little metal boxes are the best. They're basically like blank Altoid tins, and I use them to hold little things to keep my bag from becoming extra chaotic. This first one holds my extra pencil leads for my mechanical pencils, and the second one holds all of my various erasers. An unconfined kneaded eraser can become a big mess real quick, so these little boxes are perfect. Now, let's open up this bag from Scribbles that matter. The first compliment I will pay this company is that their shipping is incredibly fast. I ordered it on Monday and had it in hand on Wednesday. The first feature of this bag that I really like is this center section that holds the sketchbook. These elastic straps hold the sketchbook in place, but the entire piece can be removed if you want to spread things out a little more while you're sketching. And now it's time to fill this bag back up. I definitely had duplicate sizes of these blending stumps so I can leave the extras behind in my studio. Now I'll bring back my writing utensils, I'll keep my mechanical pencils, the extra fine zebra brush pen, a Sharpie pen for making notes, this fine point eraser, the white Uniball Signo pen, ruler, plain pencil, and a white Prismacolor and pencil extender. This side is where it gets a little harder. Erasers and pencil leads are a given, as well as pencil sharpeners. But I can't name the last time I used these curve edge tools at all, so they definitely don't need to travel with me. I use this paintbrush for dusting away extra graphite or eraser pieces, so I'll let it stay. I'm going to leave the battery-powered eraser in the studio since I rarely use it when traveling. Now I've popped my sketchbook back inside the case, and I think I'll move my iPad to the outer pocket so it'll zip up a little easier. Now to attach the straps, and I'm all set. I've been carrying this new case around for a couple weeks and on one trip already, and it's been great. I'm actually recording this voiceover from a hotel room now. Sometimes when I'm traveling, I may be in the middle of a bustling city or a body of water, or I may pop up in the literal middle of nowhere. Wherever I am, traveling lighter helps considerably. I'm really glad my sketching load is lessened, and next I just need to work on my paints. Mobility is awesome, and I need more of it. So the verdict is in, and I'm really happy with this. I got the larger of the 2 sizes. Donna got the smaller one. She's been using it lately, and I think she's also liking it. It holds everything that I need it to hold without allowing me to crazy overpack as a dupe. So wherever you are this weekend, whether home or traveling, go make some art. Have a great weekend.